3.
Hi everyone, my name is Jumai.
And I am Ella of Mom's Refinery.
So today we are here to review the NEX Classic Construction Building Set. It comes with 705 parts and pieces for building up to 70 models. It is suitable for kids 7 years of age and above. I ordered the box from Smart Kids Engineers Nigeria and it cost 40,000 naira excluding shipping. Shipping was hassle-free as I was amazed at how fast the parcel arrived. Ella was eager to unbox it. The box came with one instruction book and 4 packs of plastic parts and pieces. I went for this toy because it was a creative building set and I thought it would keep my daughter occupied and help her develop important skills. The rods and connectors all attached to one another in different ways, allowing the kids to create a multitude of shapes and models with ease. In reviewing this educational toy, I found out some pros and cons of the toy. Keep watching to note the pros and cons of this educational toy. So now for the pros. 1. The box came with an instruction book to show builders how to create unique models with step-by-step illustrations. This is very important as without a manual or an instruction book, it will be difficult to navigate through the toy. The NEX Classic Connect building set has pieces that allows kids create multitudes of shapes, figures, and models with ease. The snap fit pieces stick together securely and can be easily reassembled into other creations. This educational toy fosters imagination and creativity in kids, allowing them to build unique models and shapes. This educational toy supports key areas in a child's developmental growth. It helps strengthen hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, problem-solving skills, spatial awareness, and exercise their imagination. Another pro is the connection between science, technology, engineering, arts, and maths with a child's natural curiosity and creativity, putting children on a path towards understanding STEAM and STEM subjects. The pieces are made from quality plastics and the models are quite durable when put together and can be played with when built. Next, let's take a look at the cons of this educational toy. The box didn't come with a storage for the pieces. I had to get a storage for the pieces. If you don't put them in a storage, you end up losing the pieces. Parts and pieces of this toy can be a choking hazard for children below the ages of 3 and should not be given to children below the ages of 3. Finally, to my last con, which is actually not a con but just an observation. In the beginning, a child will need adult supervision before he's able to navigate through this toy, which is normal with most toys. In summary, the pros outweighs the cons. This educational toy is colorful and attractive. It encourages children to use their imagination and keeps them busy for hours. I will recommend the NEX Classic Construction Building Set and order the NEX toy range to parents and children. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
Remember to hit the subscribe button
and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our videos every week. Thank you.